Hello guys, long time no see. I'm doing a vlog for the first time in ages. It's been forever and a day, but I said why not start vlogging today because we are here in Paris for a few days, myself and Paddy. Got a really good deal on coming over to Paris. Okay, we're off to a great start. My battery's already dying. That's fantastic. I have another one on backup charging, so we're all good. Anyway, tonight we're going to the Moulin Rouge. We haven't really done much today. We did a little bit of exploring, not like a whole lot because we've lots of plans for the rest of the week. I slept with my makeup on, which is not a good idea. Absolute no. So I had to take it off, and I have two big massive lumps here on my skin, which is just, you know, amazing. Anyway, we're staying in Le Ballon. It's like the balloon Paris. It's really nice. It's right outside the tram line, so we're really close to the city centre sort of thing. It took us about 10 minutes to get to Notre Dame today. And we've so many other bits to do. Tomorrow we're doing the Louvre, and then we're going to go see the Eiffel Tower and all those bits and pieces. I have not been in Paris in 20 years. It's crazy. The last time I was here, I was a teenager, and I just didn't appreciate it as much as I do right now. Moulin Rouge tonight, I don't know if I'm going to be able to vlog very much. There's going to be dancing with boobies out, so it's not going to be exactly something I can vlog. It's adult theme, that's exactly, it's not YouTube appropriate. So I might just film outside of it and get a couple of shots of the Moulin Rouge. But yeah, as for filming content, that's not possible. Our room is actually really nice. I'll show you around right now. It's actually so cute. I booked this on a whim, but it was one of the hotels that was well priced for the location. Right, so this was really good price, really comfortable, really cozy. The bed's amazing. I already had to sleep in it, and yeah, I'll give you a mini tour. The room is tiny, but it has everything it needs. Our suitcase is right here. There's nowhere else to put it. The bathroom is here. Obviously you've got your shower, sink. I'm so messy, I don't know how Paddy even copes. My hair extensions, toilet, and then a big mirror here, and then it also has this tiny little ring mirror. So that's what I'm wearing tonight. I have this really nice dress planned, but instead I'm just gonna wear this kind of I don't know, body suit type thing, and it kind of is a bit sheer here, and yeah, just black leather pants. I'll show you in the full length mirror, but yeah. I was gonna wear these shoes with a dress. I had a whole big outfit plan, but it is bloody freezing. So the rest of the room looks like this. There's a little seating area again, more of my rubbish. There's just stuff belonging to me just everywhere, trailed everywhere. We've got the bed, and then we've got a little storage area there just for clothes. Again, my stuff everywhere. Paddy's so organized and clean. Little seat, and then we've got the TV, and then blackout curtains, and then the view. Full length of my outfit. It's so hard to bloody see. It's really dark.
Turn the lights on.
But we're at the mirror. So yeah, you basically see my outfit, and then I'm just wearing these Nike runners, the Panda. Oh god, what the hell is this style called? And yeah, just black leather pants, and then the little thing. So that's basically what I look like, and I'm gonna wear a leather jacket, and we are going to get out of here, I think. We're out walking around our neighborhood, and yeah, it's really nice here. Have a look, we'll figure it out. We're still on a different time zone, even though we came from Ireland. I just think because we didn't sleep last night, our flight was really early, and we're trying to sort Noah out, and yeah, Noah's staying with his nanny and granddad. This is the longest I've ever been away from him, and I'm kind of freaking out, but I can't stop thinking about him, and everywhere I go I'm oh no, I'd love this and stuff, but I don't think he'd appreciate all the walking that we're doing. It's so pretty here, all the little lights and stuff. It's just really nice. It's just a nice hustle and bustle. It was a lot quieter when we arrived here earlier. Now there seems to be a good vibe. That is some pizza. Is it nice?
It's hot.
Spicy. So we're out of the restaurant. We went to to a little place called Little Italy, just around the Moulin Rouge. We didn't want to go too far away because we knew that we'd have to walk back. I am for a reason. It's absolutely Baltic. Yeah, we're just walking to the Moulin Rouge now. We have to meet at 10:30 and the show starts at 11 and I cannot wait. I had two, I don't know what they were, like pina coladas while I was in there, so I'm a little bit tipsy. Not gonna lie, I'm not twisted. I'm just tipsy, but I'm so excited. A Google car? No, it's a taxi. But I'm so excited for the Moulin Rouge. Like, I just can't believe, like, I'm finally going to get to see it. I've been just fascinated by it for forever. Reminds me a lot of Amsterdam. I loved Amsterdam. It was like one of my favorite cities I was ever in. Yeah, I really like this neck of the woods. So yeah, well, I will talk to you probably after the Moulin Rouge because I'm not going to be able to film any of it. But yeah, so excited. Hey guys, so we're back in the room and we had the best time at Moulin Rouge. Oh my god, it was so amazing. Paddy is just talking absolute nonsense. We had the best time ever at Moulin Rouge. Like I said, I thought that Paddy might not like it and I was kind of worried that it was a bit like, that it just wasn't his cup of tea, but he actually loved it. Now, there was a lot of topless dancing in it, so I can understand, but I am like a lover of the topless dancers myself. There was so much talent, like the girls and guys. What, they're near friend? They're the ones with citrine.
What's the girlfriend doing is this? I took a girlfriend tablet.
So you've been
hay.
Paddy has hay fever the last few days and it's driving everybody insane, self included, because it's just all that's been spoken about. And if anybody knows what men are like when they're sick or anything's going on like that, it's just yeah, it's the main topic of conversation. Coming from me, I have absolutely no complaints about my health. I'm in perfect health. But yes, Moulin Rouge was so worth it. Worth every single cent. Worth the time. Worth just the trip. Oh, it's just amazing. I just come to Paris just to go to Moulin Rouge. It was amazing. So tomorrow we're in the Louvre. Le Louvre. First thing in the morning. My French is so poor. I just realised like how
First thing in the morning,
rusty, how crap my French is. Like 5 years of French down the drain and doing a French exchange, staying here with a French family, and I just can't remember anything. Like, it's pathetic. Today we're doing a Seine cruise. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'm actually gonna hit the hay. It's 2 AM. I am wrecked. We're checking in with Paddy's mum and dad to see how Noel's getting on. He's loving life. He's going off to the aquatic centre in the morning. So yeah, he's having the best time ever. I miss him so much, but I'm just really enjoying seeing another city that I you know, just been out of the country for the first time in 3.5 years. I'll talk to you guys in the morning. I'm feeling very tired today, but anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Hello. Just walking around the Louvre today. I look like I don't know what happened to me. My eyes won't stop watering. I don't know if I have hay fever or whatever's going on. It's not a riot. So I'm just sitting here waiting for Paddy to catch up. My feet are walked off me. We've done nearly 10,000 steps already and it's only 1 o'clock in the day. So what we're going to do is the Louvre, and then we have a little riverboat tour on the Seine this evening. I'm so exhausted today just because of our late night last night, and then we're kind of in a bit of a rush this morning. Anyway, I'm really enjoying the Louvre. Like, I actually think it's so amazing. I've never been into the museum before. I've been into the outside of the museum, walking around the area out there when I was in school, but like I said before a million times, it's been a long time since I was here with school. I think we're going to be here for about 10 hours because we haven't even done like one section. It's crazy, like there's so much. It kind of reminds me of when we were in Rome and we went to the Vatican. Like you just spend the whole day looking at everything, but it's just crazy, like it's endless. We've just done like the Egyptian section, got to see the mummies and stuff, and now we are moving on to, what's the next section?
Orange.
The orange section. We have our little DS's here. They give you like an audio book, so I don't know what oh, the Sully, that's the next section we're going through. I will catch up with you guys later, and I'll take any little bits of vlog footage that's of interest. Yeah, sorry if I'm not really upbeat. I am exhausted, just been a long few days, so I am just gonna soak up the museum and enjoy what it has to offer, which is just quite a lot. The exhibitions. It is now 5:25. We've been here since 11:30 this morning. We're going on our little boat tour, so I'll bring you along with that, but we want to get some pictures just outside the Louvre and maybe some like coupley pictures and stuff, because we haven't very many of me and Patty since Noah came along. Yeah, with you, my fiance.